Hi everybody, this is Steve with LSS Drone Photography again. Today we're covering the Super Bowl.
I'm flying into the stadium. Look at all those tiny humans.
Wow, the energy here is electric. Let's see what the fans think.
The Chiefs are gonna crush it. Mahomes is unstoppable.
No way. It's all about the Philadelphia Eagles this year.
Oh look, there's Taylor Swift in her private box.
Are you ready for it? Touchdown, baby, let's go.
And there's Travis Kelce on the field. He looks fired up.
Let's go, time to shine.
Wait, what's happening? My drone is getting too close.
Uh-oh, I'm not supposed to be part of the game.
Oh no! The drone just got caught in Taylor's hair!
What in the sparkly football is this?
Is that allowed? Can we use drones now?
And just like that, folks, I've become part of Super Bowl history. LSS Drone Photography, the end.